What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? AZD here with you with the new update of Bitcoin and what's going on with Bitcoin. Now, I know we've seen recently Bitcoin has been having a surge. It went from the low mid 30s, about 33, then it went up to like the 37 zone, 38, then it bounced through 40, and once it bounced through 40, it ripped up to 42 and change, 43. Right now, it's about ranging between 43,900 and about 44,100. So the big surge has been going on for a while, but what you have to be careful with is what's going to happen next with Bitcoin. As many of us know, Bitcoin can be very volatile, and so we have to be careful, especially if you're trading Bitcoin or any other crypto. We have to be careful of how we go about looking at these numbers for the upcoming days, the upcoming weeks, as well as the next month. Right now, you can see that the pump is going on, and when we look at the charts, we can see that there has been 8 consecutive days that Bitcoin has been, not even 8 consecutive days, 8 consecutive weeks now that Bitcoin, well, also some days has been really green, but 8 consecutive weeks that Bitcoin has closed in the green. So if you look at the market close for Bitcoin each week for the past 8 weeks, you can see that the candles have been green. And you can check out Crypto. He has more details about this. You can check out his videos and see how he go into more details with the analytics and analyzing the charts on that one. But he's saying that since that we have had 8 weeks closing in the green, that we have to be careful, because this haven't happened since back in about 2017 as well as 2016. And what happened in those years is you have those consecutive weeks of green candles, and at the top, about the 9th week or so, it would start off being green and it would shoot up, but then it would level out. And now the following week would also kind of do the same thing. The previous week, so the 9th week, would kind of shoot up, and then it will level back out to the mid-range. So it would kind of close out in the green, but it wouldn't be a severe pump where the candle would be above the other candles the weeks before. It would be almost evened out. Then looking at the charts of what he had, the following upcoming week will be like week 10 now. It would also do the same thing in the same range as the previous week, but then what it begins to do is starts to go down lower, and it would end the week off with being a red candle. And after that, many of the charts after that for previous years I'm talking about show that it becomes to be a downtrend, and Bitcoin and other cryptos become to fall. So what we're saying right now, what I'm saying, this is not advice or anything like that. Just be careful if you're into crypto, if you're trading, or if you're even hodling and like to shave off some profit and wait for it to come down, because nothing goes up forever, especially with Bitcoin and crypto. It can be very volatile. So you got to watch. I mean, we could have another pump up to maybe 47, 48. But even then, if we even have a pump up to 46, 47, or 48, have to be very careful, because like we said, these things don't go up forever. So we can guarantee, well, not guarantee, but you can also see that it will come down sooner or later. You will see that we will have a retracement here and there, and especially since we have 8 consecutive weeks of green candle, there's bound to be a retracement coming up. So go ahead and check out the charts and see what's going on. Make sure you see how the candlesticks are ending the weeks off, and along with the days, and see if you're trading, to see what you can do about the trading in those aspects of how the green candle as well as the red candle is working. If it ends off, if the week ends off in a green candle, that's a good thing. Watch out, it might be a pump. But usually at the end of the week, especially crypto, once the week ends and those weekly candle close out, then you begin to see some kind of movement. And this could be the week where you will see the movement, especially if it ends off in a green candle. A lot of people out there will begin to start to short Bitcoin and start to short Ethereum. And you will start to see Bitcoin come down, and Ethereum and other coins will come down. So if you're involved in crypto, if you're involved with Bitcoin, if you're trading, or if you're just, hodling or swing trading, just go ahead, pay attention. Maybe this is the time to shave off a little profit and watch for the dip and accumulate at the dip. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.